Hello, dear Linux enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on an exhilarating journey as we put two exceptional gaming-focused Linux distributions head-to-head, Nobra Linux and Garuda Linux. In a world where gaming on Linux is becoming increasingly exciting, these distros promise to deliver a top-notch gaming experience. Join us as we delve into the realms of Nobra Linux and Garuda Linux to determine which one truly takes the crown. Let's kick things off by acquainting ourselves with Nobra Linux, a Fedora-based gem that's been tailored with gamers in mind. The unique feature of Nobra lies in its mission to simplify the intricate world of Linux gaming. Created by Glorious Eggroll, it aims to make Linux gaming accessible to both newcomers and seasoned users. With out-of-the-box gaming configurations and performance optimization, Nobra steps up to redefine the gaming landscape. Moving on, we have Garuda Linux, an Arch-based powerhouse that boasts speed, aesthetics, and performance at its core. Backed by a passionate community, Garuda is renowned for its customization options and curated software repositories. The distro aims to strike a balance between a visually appealing interface and gaming excellence. With customization as one of its strong suits, Garuda Linux enters the battlefield with a unique set of strengths. When it comes to installation, Nobra Linux emerges as a winner for its user-friendly approach, making it a splendid choice for Linux newcomers. Its installation process is straightforward and welcoming, ensuring a smooth setup experience. On the other hand, Garuda Linux caters to the diverse preferences of users by offering various editions with different desktop environments, providing the perfect playground for customization enthusiasts. The battleground of gaming performance is crucial, and both distros have geared up for the challenge. Nobra Linux distinguishes itself by prioritizing an optimized gaming experience right from the installation process. It includes pre-configured settings and gaming-centric software to enhance your gameplay. Garuda Linux leverages its Arch lineage, offering performance-driven features, automatic GPU driver installation, and an array of gaming emulators. Access to gaming software and repositories is the backbone of a gaming distro. Nobra Linux empowers gamers with a curated selection of gaming-related configurations and packages. In contrast, Garuda Linux's roots in Arch Linux grant it access to the vast Arch user repository, offering a treasure trove of software choices for gaming aficionados. The user interface significantly influences the overall gaming experience. Nobra Linux opts for a user-friendly interface, providing a streamlined and consistent journey. Meanwhile, Garuda Linux shines in the realm of customization, granting users the freedom to craft their gaming environment according to their preferences. Community support plays a pivotal role in a distro's success. Nobra Linux is diligently building a supportive community through forums and resources, guiding users on their gaming quests. Garuda Linux, leveraging the vast Arch community, enhances its support structure while maintaining dedicated resources to ensure users' needs are met. Maintaining a balance between updates and stability is a tightrope walk for any operating system. Nobra Linux maintains its focus on stability and compatibility, ensuring a reliable gaming experience over time. Garuda Linux provides a flexible approach with distinct update streams, enabling users to choose between bleeding-edge features and system stability based on their preferences. In the grand finale, we find ourselves faced with a crucial decision: Nobra Linux or Garuda Linux? Both distros have unique strengths that cater to different types of users. Nobra's user-friendly nature and pre-configured gaming environment make it a welcoming choice, especially for Linux newcomers. On the flip side, Garuda's customization prowess, performance optimizations, and OR access create an alluring path for users seeking a personalized gaming sanctuary. As we draw the curtains on this exhilarating showdown between Nobra Linux and Garuda Linux, we turn to you, our cherished audience. Which of these two powerful gaming distros resonates with your gaming aspirations? Share your thoughts and preferences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth comparison, remember to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more captivating Linux content, and smashing that notification bell to stay updated on all things Linux. Until next time, embrace the thrilling world of Linux gaming with Nobra and Garuda.